think the conversation's changing, but there was for the last year, a lot of conversation about is AI replacing humans? And I'm hoping and seeing that I think the conversation is changing where we're here to understand that AI is not here to replace people. That is not that is not what it's here for. It's a tool, right? It's here to enhance productivity, to streamline tasks, to help with decision making. It's here for the humans to work with and use, not here to replace the humans. However, one of the things that I talk to team members about all the time is it's not here to replace you. However, if you don't embrace using AI, you will get replaced by somebody who does use AI. So the key thing here is actually starting to use AI to be more efficient. Because if I in the future am going to go hire somebody that works on my team a year from now, and this person uses AI and this person doesn't, so this person can do something in 10 minutes and it takes this person 2 hours to do it. As an owner now, I'm going to have to hire the person who uses AI because they're going to be more efficient and more effective. And so my goal right now, early AI, is to just start to get offices and team members to embrace the idea of using AI. And my goal today with this webinar is to start thinking about where can you use it right now for free without signing up with any other company for efficiency. Because when we start to see some efficiency with using it, then we start to kind of broaden the scope of where else can we use AI to support us. And like I said, time is the rarest commodity in the dental office. And so much of our team members are focused on the administrative tasks because one, they have to be. There's a lot of things we need to do all the time, submit claims, fix the schedule, call in patients, like do all the things. But the other reason is I believe our industry is addicted to always being busy. Like as a culture, we have always been busy. Everyone's busy. You notice when you come in the morning after the huddle, everybody goes and does their thing and everyone's busy. Busy doesn't necessarily mean effective. And my concern with this is busy kind of feels like job security for your team members. And so what we have to do is actually start working with our team members to see we don't need to necessarily be busy. What we need to do is be efficient. And what we want to do is change this percentage of admin task versus patient care. We want this to be flipped around. We want to have more time for our patients and less busy work. Let the AI do the busy work. So let's talk about what that looks like. So, really, I am a huge fan of the concept of human in the loop, which is where your team members will manage, will run, will be in charge of AI. And I think one day all of everybody on the team will have almost like their own AI clone. The front office team member who answers the phone will have Margot, who's our AI agent at Mango, that I know I can trust to answer the phone if I'm talking to a patient in front of me. So I will have a clone that can do the phones almost as good as I can, so that if I don't have a chance to answer the phone because I have a patient in front of me, it's going to be handled. We're going to have AI that's going to help our hygienists do probing. That's going to be the clone, and they're going to probe as good as an assistant would jumping in to help the hygienist. Doctors, you're going to have AI clones that are going to help you with your notes and all the busy work that you have. So really what's going to happen is it's going to be like an assistant for everybody on the team. So we really want to start thinking about and help our team members start thinking about like for your job, the things that you do, what would you want to give to an assistant to do? And so that you could have more time back in your day. And then really sort of looking at, well, what is it human tasks that need to be done versus what are AI tasks?